In this guide video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Trust Wallet. If you don't know what Trust Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet where you can store your cryptocurrencies. So to get started, firstly download the Trust Wallet application from the Play Store. Now, after you downloaded it, then you open it. You can see on the first page a screen like this which says create a new wallet or I already have a wallet. To sign up for Trust Wallet, you need to click on create a new wallet. These are the privacy policies and the terms of service of Trust Wallet. If you want, you can also take a look at them. Now check this option and then hit continue. Now you need to create a passcode for your Trust Wallet. Again, retype your passcode. Next, you'll need to check all these boxes in order to continue. Now you'll be given a 12-word phrase, which is the phrase which will help you to log in or secure your Trust Wallet app. You should not share this 12 phrases with anyone. You can simply copy these phrases and keep it in a safe place. After you're done, click on continue. Now in the next section, you need to arrange the phrases as it was shown in the previous page. After you finish, hit done. So just like that, you have signed up for your Trust Wallet account. But be sure that you do not share the phrase with anyone and keep it in a safe place so you will be able to make your account secure and retrieve your account whenever you need it. So that's how easily you can create your Trust Wallet account. I hope you guys liked this video and found the video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button because we upload similar videos like this every day. So in order to never miss such videos, be sure that you are notified. That's all for this video and I'll see you in the next one.